Hello, this is Growing Little Country. My name is Sang, and today I'm gonna finish. It's been a week since I've butchered my chickens and then finished because I ran out of poultry bags. And late yesterday, my poultry bags showed up, so I wasn't expecting to finish today. So I've made all the mistakes. I've let them eat, and they are out of their box, their chickshaw, and they're eating. And I feel bad about just shoving them back in there. So I'm still gonna butcher them. I don't know if I'm gonna be the main focus. Got lots to do today. I'm gonna finish my 10 chickens, which shouldn't take that long. Got my plucker, table, my 2 coolers. I'm gonna get that set up. I get the propane tank. Well, my niece and I finished up butchering our chickens. The last batch that we didn't do last week because we ran out of bags. So they're in the cool tank right now, cooling off for a couple hours, and we'll let them do their thing in there. And for right now, I'm gonna set up something new for my baby chickens that are getting older and need to get away from around my house because they're scratching up my wife's flower bed and throwing wood chips all over my driveway. So I'm gonna take the Premier One fencing, put it around my outside of my chicken run, like right around here. Stretch it. I've done it before, and put my chickshaw in there and have them live there for 2 or 3 days so they could see the other chickens.
Yeah, it's right there.
Well, shoot, I forgot at the camera. Set the whole thing up without you guys filming the whole thing. Dumb me. Well, here's my setup. So I got the gate and all this, just the side yard fenced off. Little chick that I never butchered in there. I don't think I'm gonna butcher her. She's just so little, so small. She's sitting in there. She's sitting right there. The peacock keeps coming in there and trying to. I think peacock's trying to eat it. All right. So this is the chicken that I have decided not to butcher. She is pint size compared to the rest of the chickens, and I think I'm gonna name her Penny. I don't know why. I mean, she looks like a good sized chicken, but for a Cornish cross, she is tiny. The rest of my egg layers, she's hefty, but I don't know, something special about her. And see that haze in her eyes? She's blind in that eye, so I don't know. She's my Penny. Come on. Enjoy your free life. So Penny will be with us. Oh, thank you, Penny. That was nice. Show the world how chicken poops. That's great. All right, so strict diet for you. No more gorging all day. All right. You eat what you eat, and that's it. Just gonna have a nice little life here. A whole bunch of new friends. Hopefully they're nice to you. Come on, get up. Shed some of that weight off. Well, I just finished up, wrapping it up, and so that's my finished product. Another 10 with the turkey, the rooster that I killed. Killed just before. Bone broth or chicken broth that I'm gonna make, and the chicken feet. So that's another 10 chickens in my freezer, and I skipped all the cleaning, so you guys don't have to see me clean. Alright, so yeah, I'm glad to get that done. I don't know what else I'm gonna do next, but I'll probably work on the door. Alright, I'll see you then.